are you doing? It's a new day in Cairns, and as you can tell, my energy levels are very high today because I got enough sleep and I feel a hell lot better than I was yesterday. So it is, what time is it? It's 12 minutes past 12 in the afternoon. We woke up really late because we were so tired. Just had a lazy morning. Now we're going to Skyrail. Yeah, I think that's about it. That's what we're going to do today, and we are just taking you guys along. I haven't told these guys what we're doing. Okay guys, so we're taking a Skyrail to the train, right? And then from the train, how long is the train? The train is 1.5 hours, right? Yeah. Then we're going to take a train. I think the whole thing behind the train is like you can just see the scenery of Cairns and all. I think that's all I know.
Are you nervous?
I am, because I'm scared of heights. Oh my god, babe, imagine if we had the glass thing.
So pretty, but damn, it's so scary. Like, what?
And look at how high up we are, you guys. You can't really like see how high up it is. Oh my goodness. Do you think it's going to keep going higher than it is?
Don't stand up, sit down. I'm not again. Wow, you be open.
I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't do this.
No.
Like, can you see that it's now slower than it was?
Look at that, like
That's so beautiful. I wish I could really show down there. But I hope when we do the train, the views will be as amazing.
yeah, this is a train.
There's really something about doing walks and doing hikes. For me, I feel like it distresses me. You know, you stop to think of all of these other things that worry you and trouble you and just be in the moment. Like, this is so beautiful, you guys. Information about this train, like there should be some history about it.
There is. We can go for guided tour.
Do you know why I'm saying so? Do you remember that train thing on MasterChef?
Yeah.
It could be one of those.
Something like that, yeah. Come this way. Let's have a look.
This is Sam's all day breaking. Berries, banana, pear, and it has no added sugar, sweetness, or so if I would make it at home, you wouldn't want it. Like replacing the green juice that you don't like, I think this would be really nice.
It does taste nice if you compare it to the green juice.
It tastes better than the green juice. Hey guys, finally we have arrived home. We had so much fun. I had such a great time at Skyrail. I enjoyed, you know, going through the tropical rainforest. I didn't quite enjoy the train, it was long, but yeah, we got to learn a few things about the tropical rainforest. Now we're just going to have dinner. This is what we are having. We got food from this place called Hogs. We wanted like ribs and burgers, so we got food from this place. I hope it's nice. So we got sweet potato fries, we got chicken wings, and the big boy. How do you open this? Oh, woo. And we got ribs. They taste yum. We got ribs, and this is the burger and fries. But that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. The next time that you guys are going to see me, I will be 23. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All I want for my birthday is for this YouTube channel to grow. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe down below on that little red bell. But till my next video guys,